Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 11 7mm screws and 2 5mm screws. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Fold the unit over and gently insert the opener pick between the LCD module and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the LCD mod free. Lay the LCD mod down. Remove the sensor board from the LCD module. It's not necessary to unplug it, but we did here anyway. Gently insert the spudger and pry the camera free from the adhesive. Take care not to use too much force as the camera can easily bend or break. Then peel up the camera cable from the back of the LCD module. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD module. Plug the LCD cable into the new module and replace the tape. Replace the camera. And replace the sensor board. Make sure the cable is seated before you replace the LCD module, then lay the LCD module down and push it down to snap it back into place. Fold the unit back over and replace the battery. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 7mm screws and 2 5mm screws.